Already start tearing them out.
Hey guys, it's Christina.
And Jeff.
Oh, yeah, okay. Today is the last day of the Tropicana. Open, can you believe it? Tiffany of the Strip, that's what it was called. It's closing, but we're here.
Yes. And look at this. I got my Tropicana shirt. There's a reason why. If you didn't know, and you probably didn't, there's a reason why I had so much access, because I used to work here for about 10 years here at the Tropicana.
That's the reason we came to, everybody says, why did you come, in our streams, why did you come to Vegas? Because they wanted him ASAP. They needed him to come here and do audio visual, but not for the Tropicana.
Yeah, I worked for a company that was in conventions, so I wasn't technically employed by the Tropicana, but we did all the audiovisual for all the conventions here. We're gonna take in the whole night here at the Tropicana. We may have an upgraded room. We're gonna check out Robert Irvine's. That restaurant is still open. Oakville is closed. So there's some machines that are closed. We just kind of walked in there a little bit, and we need to get checked in right now.
We need to get checked in and eat.
So let's get checked in. Let's go check out the room.
With all this going on,
Yeah,
I need a drink.
let's do this.
I need a drink.
All right, Christina, so we're gonna check in one last time at the Tropicana.
I know, it's so sad.
I thought you were being funny. What the heck? We've never even stayed at the Tropicana.
No, but
I know,
there's
guys.
a history.
Take two. All right, Christina, so we're about to check in.
Yes.
So it's completely the opposite from to yes. We're about to check in.
No, I just said yes.
So we're gonna check into the Tropicana. Officially, I have never stayed here a night. But more on that later. Right?
Yeah. No, we've never stayed here actually. So, actually,
Because we haven't had a need to, right?
no. So to be in a room will be kind of weird.
Yeah. So let's see what kind of room we get. Let's go check in. There is nobody at the front desk, so we're
No.
gonna have to go over to VIP.
That's what made me sad. Like
So let's
it's all
go in.
so empty.
Let's go in.
I've been here since 1998. Yeah, I started here back in 98 when I was 20.
Oh, really?
Wow.
Yes.
I don't know if you saw the closing video with all the showgirls and Sammy.
Yes,
that was me.
Oh, nice. That
Yeah.
was nice.
Oh, hey, Kenzo, what's up?
Are you guys checking out or in?
In. We're staying here
Checking in.
last
Give me a
night.
hug. Good to see you.
Oh, good to see you.
Yeah.
Yeah, he's live. It's not Memorex.
It is sad. It
Yeah.
is kind of sad, man.
Yep.
I have some good memories here, man.
Yeah.
Parties here. Yeah.
Yep.
Yep.
So,
All
All right, see you, kid.
Have fun. See ya.
Room 1902. Let's go. All right, 19, Christina.
19?
Yep. No, 19.
And I was going to say 19. 19.
I've been told it might be a little bit of a surprise, so we'll see.
Oh,
So we'll see.
so good. We've never stayed here, but we've been here a lot.
What's the sign say here? Dear valued guests, as we prepare for our close down after 67 years, checkout time is 11 a.m. Tuesday, April 2nd. Final bill statement, please ensure that you settle any outstanding food and beverage outlets. Robert Irvine Public House will have their last eating at 11 a.m. and Trop Coffee will close at 12 p.m. on Tuesday. Please note room charges will be closed at 10 p.m. on April 1st. Thereafter, all checks must be settled with credit card or cash. Once again, thank you for choosing our hotel to create memories. It's been a pleasure to serve our guests over the last 67 years. We look forward to welcoming you back to the future.
Is Doc going to be here? Back to the Future.
Making history,
One hotel at a time.
one hotel at a time. Looks like all the way down at the end here.
I know.
1902.
Dun, dun, dun. Dun, dun, dun.
Oh, wow.
Oh, wow.
We did. Oh, Christina, look at
we
this.
did get a suite.
Oh, wow. Check out our view.
Oh, does this open like wide?
Right down, yep,
Oh.
right down the Las Vegas Strip. And
Oh,
we got a window
wow.
that'll actually open up.
An actual window in a hotel that that
Hopefully
air feels so
I don't
nice.
drop the camera now. That wouldn't be good.
That air feels so nice.
Look at our view here, Christina.
It's beautiful.
Hanging out the
window.
hanging out the window. There's the strip down below. So we got a nice seating area. This is I believe this is a pull-out. So normally people could have another guest here. I think at one time they had these with TVs on them, but got an LG
Oh, let me go
TV.
snoop.
You gonna go snoop?
I'm a snoop. So let's
Keurig.
see.
I don't know why I'm showing the room. It's not like anybody's gonna go like, oh, well, I'm gonna stay there.
No, but you know, it's the last. So is this open?
No, that's where this is just a filler because they could put a TV on there
Yes.
just like this one.
Yeah,
over
one,
here.
yeah.
So, and then we got the master suite over here
Ooh. Oh, let's open windows.
with another TV. So here's our lovely king bed.
I'll see
Again, I
about
don't know
that.
really why I'm showing this, but shall we get downstairs?
Let's go.
Look, some of the machines are already out of service, Christina.
I know.
They're already taking them out. Oh, look at that over there. They're already dark.
Wow.
They're already dark.
It's dark. Oh,
These are all dark over
I was
here.
gonna say it's not very bright.
Yeah, these are all dark.
Yep.
Last night of the Tropicana. People will watch this video for the next 20 years.
Yep.
Let's go eat.
Yes.
Let's go eat. So what did you have here?
I had
You had some cheesecake, right? Well, your entree was what?
pasta with chicken bucatini pasta, which I never had before. It was really good. Really yummy cheesecake.
We've got to stay awake, or at least maybe I do, for 3 a.m., right?
I think I have to come back.
3 a.m. For when the gaming officially closes.
Close everything.
Get the hell out, is what they're going to say. Get the hell out.
Well, I think they say that tomorrow anyway.
Yeah.
Make another one. Make another one.
I'm sorry, can I take a picture of that before you take it away?
Terry, I'm nervous for you.
Look at this.
Yay!
Got some $25 chips to give away and one to hold for somebody special, right?
Yep.
All right, Christina, we got our chips now.
Yes. Easily though. Much easier than
Yeah.
we anticipated.
Let's go.
Hand him-
Let's go
hand
see
him
if the
some
machines
money.
are all off.
Hand him the money and he gave it.
The money, the money. These are all off now. There are a few that are still
Yeah,
on.
they are. But
They're
it's
kind of
just-
doing them in waves.
Yes, they are.
Yeah.
Pretty quiet.
Yeah.
I thought it would be like madness down here.
Yeah. Little anticlimactic.
I know. I was expecting, you know, ready for the strip go because they've been saying it's gonna casino floor will close at 3 a.m.
Mm-hmm.
I was gonna go sit in the seat right there and make a pose, but there's too many people looking.
2:55 right now. Got a few people coming down to see if there's any action coming.
Well, there's some people coming through the door. And the music stopped. There's some woo or oh or something.
Or sad trombone.
The Price is Right sad
Like
trombone.
they're making it a sad moment. It's supposed to be a happy moment.
Right. And they
Song is kind of funny.
Well, that's the end of gaming here at the Tropicana.
Yeah.
It's officially not a casino anymore.
Nope.
Now we just have to wait for the closing in a few hours,
Yep.
and that'll be it. But the casino gambling portion is done at the Tropicana. Seeing 12 o'clock, there it goes.
Blessings
There it goes.
11.
There goes the cage.
Bye. So long, farewell.
That's it.
The music of
Out with kind of a whimper.
yeah. That was truly sad.
All right, 10:45 in the morning, in the elevator. Let's head downstairs, see how little people they are, or who knows. I think there's actually an actual closing of the doors in a little while, so we'll stick around and see about that, but let's see how the downstairs is right now. Well, check it out, guys. The high limit games are going away. Already started tearing them out. Purple Rain, Tropicana. Do one last sweep through. Havana Room is over there. And all of this is closed. Robert Irvine, I think, is still open till 11 or 12. Red Lotus is closed, of course. Last remaining guests. Sportsbook's already cleared out. Taking machines apart here. Yeah, it's kind of a end of an era. Get some breakfast here. Got about an hour and a half until they actually physically lock the doors, and that'll be it. Well, and just like that, guys, the Trop is now closed. I want to thank all the staff here at the Tropicana to this history. It's just been absolutely amazing. Hope you guys got a little sense of what it was like on this closing night. Gaming shutting down, the machines shutting down. If you did enjoy this video, please subscribe to J&K Stay in Vegas. Also hit that thumbs up on this video. It really does help out the YouTube algorithm. And turn on those bell notifications to be alerted to every time we post a new video just like this or when we go live. Until the next video, everybody, stay safe and stay silly. Bye-bye, everybody.